The sort tool. It's pretty straightforward, but at the risk of doubling or tripling your workflow's processing time, you're going to want to understand this tool fully. We'll get to that at the end of this video. For now, let's go grab the sort tool from our favorites and attach it to our input tool. Once wired to the input, let's jump into the sorts configuration window. Here we'll find basically three options. First, we'll need to select the field or fields we want to sort by. If we choose multiple fields, we'll find that the tool will determine the sort order at the rank at which we select them. The uppermost field will be sorted first, and so on. If you decide you no longer want to sort by a certain field, just hit that delete button on the right to get rid of it. Next, we must select the order of the sequence for the output. Put another way, we want to choose to either keep the default sort option of ascending or switch it to descending order. Finally, we need to decide whether we want to use the default sort or use dictionary order option. You can select this box to enable it, and then choose the language you want to sort by. First call out I want to make is that this option will affect the performance of your workflow's processing. Second, there's an important distinction to keep in mind when sorting your alphanumeric characters. Let's take a look at one example using product name in our dataset. You'll see that when we sort with the default option, it sorts the values with leading special characters at the top and then continues with the leading numeric values. If we check the Use Dictionary option, we'll notice that it sorts now by special characters, then the capitalized leading values. So choose whatever option is going to be best for you. And that's pretty much it for configuring the tool itself, but I want to note one last and critical thing before you go. Using a sort tool will, at face value, immediately slow down your workflow. That said, you can use the tool to actually speed it up for later on processing. Confused yet? Let me quote the Tool Mastery series to better explain that. Alteryx has the ability to remember sorts, or said another way, it knows if the data has already been sorted upstream. So keep that in mind and experiment with the way that you're using sorting in your workflow. And that's the sort tool, the simple tool that can be a total drag or hero for your Alteryx workflow. Thanks for watching. You can find out more about this tool's capabilities in the Alteryx tool documentation, which can be found in the description section of this video. Keep up with the latest Data Coach videos by hitting that subscribe button. And if you have an Alteryx tool or macro you want to see included in the 2-minute tool collection, give us a shout on Twitter at AskTessellation, or tweet at me at Nick612Hayland. Until next time, your Data Coach and Alteryx Ace, Nick Hayland.